Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Stock pick update. FIS stock broke above its downward trend line. Analysis. http ntvforex.com. News ID 7EB2BD 8/26/2020 12:54:13 p.m. Header: which stocks could magnify S&P 500's gains in case it rallies? Take a look at a part of our stock pick update. We have included technology, consumer discretionary and communication services stocks this time. The broad stock market has extended its medium-term uptrend in the last 5 trading days. August 19th to August 25th. The S&P 500 index has set new record high of 3,444.21 on Tuesday, as it further extended its rally after breaking above February 19th high of 3,393.52. 5 months ago on March 23, the market sold off to new medium-term low of 2,191.86. It was a stunning 35.4% below February 19 record high of 3,393.52. The coronavirus and economic slowdown fears erased more than a third of the broad stock market value. But since then stocks rallied 57.1%. The S&P 500 index. The S&P 500 index has gained 1.51% between August 19 and August 25. In the same period of time our 5 long and 5 short stock picks have gained 0.40%. So stock picks were relatively weaker than the broad stock market. Our long stock picks have gained 1.20% and short stock picks have resulted in a loss of 0.41%. There are risks that couldn't be avoided in trading. Hence the need for proper money management and a relatively diversified stock portfolio. This is especially important if trading on a time basis without using stop-loss profit target levels. We are just buying or selling stocks at open on Wednesday and selling or buying them back at close on the next Tuesday. If stocks were in a prolonged downtrend, being able to profit anyway, would be extremely valuable. Of course, it's not the point of our stock pick updates to forecast where the general stock market is likely to move, but rather to provide you with stocks that are likely to generate profits regardless of what the S&P does. This means that our overall stock picking performance can be summarized on the chart below. The assumptions are starting with $100,000, no leverage used. The data before December 24, 2019 comes from our internal tests, and data after that can be verified by individual stock pick updates posted on our website. Below we include statistics and the details of our 3 recent updates: August 25, 2020 long picks, August 19 open August 25 close. Percent change: VFC 3.87%, IBM 0.15%, CAT 1.91%, CVX 1.34%, SCHW 1.72%. Short picks: August 19 open August 25 close. Percent change: WMB 2.11%, TRO 1.15%, XEL 1.84%, HD 0.46%, AAPL 7.62%. Average long result 1.20%, average short result 0.41%. Total profit average 0.40%. August 18, 2020 long picks, August 12 open August 18 close. Percent change: BA 7.49%, SCHW 1.55%, CXO 4.91%, BXP 5.58%, MSI 5.14%. Short picks, August 12 open August 18 close. Percent change: CCI 1.85%, AAPL 4.58%, CHTR 3.33%, ROP 0.48%, SPGI 3.65%. Average long result 2.88%, average short result 2.78%. Total profit average 2.83%. August 11, 2020 long picks, August 5 open August 11 close. Percent change: V 2.18%, WBA 2.45%, ECL 3.13%, XOM 1.86%, PSA 1.38%. Short picks, August 5 open August 11 close. Percent change: COP 3.14%, CCI 2.75%, SPGI 0.95%, PYPL 5.01%, K 2.35%. Average long result 1.65%, average short result 1.59%. Total profit average 1.62%. Let us check which stocks could magnify S&P's gains in case it rallies, and which stocks would be likely to decline the most if S&P plunges. Here are our stock picks for the Wednesday, August 26th a Tuesday, September 1st period. We will assume the following: the stocks will be bought or sold short on the opening of today's trading session August 26th and sold or bought back on the closing of the next Tuesday's trading session September 1st. We will provide stock trading ideas based on our in-depth technical and fundamental analysis, but since the main point of this publication is to provide the top 5 long and top 5 short candidates our opinion, not an investment advice for this week, we will focus solely on the technicals. The latter are simply more useful in case of short-term trades. First, we will take a look at the recent performance by sector. It may show us which sector is likely to perform best in the near future and which sector is likely to lag. Then, we will select our buy and sell stock picks. There are 11 stock market sectors: energy, materials, industrials, consumer discretionary, consumer staples, healthcare, financials, technology, communications services, utilities and real estate. They are further divided into industries, but we will just stick with these main sectors of the stock market. We will analyze them and their relative performance by looking at the select sector SPDR ETFs. The stock market sector analysis is available to our subscribers only. Based on the above, we decided to choose our stock picks for the next week. We will choose our top 3 long and top 3 short candidates using trend following approach, and top 2 long and top 2 short candidates using contrarian approach. Trend following approach buys 1x technology, 1x consumer discretionary, 1x communication services, sells 1x energy, 1x utilities, 1x healthcare. Contrarian approach betting against the recent trend buys 1x energy, 1x utilities, sells 1x technology, 1x consumer discretionary. NBSP trend following approach top 3 buy candidates: FIS, Fidelity National Information Services, Incorporated Technology stock broke above its downward trend line. The next resistance level of $150. The support level is at $140. Marriott INTL Inc. New a consumer discretionary stock broke above short-term downward trend line. Possible uptrend resuming the resistance level of $115. Short-term upside profit target NBSP. The support level is at $80.85. Dish Network Corp. Communication Services stock remains above its 2-month long upward trend line. The resistance level and a short-term upside profit target level is at $37. Summing up, the above trend following long stock picks are just a part of our whole stock pick update. The technology, consumer discretionary and communication services sectors were relatively the strongest in the last 30 days. So that part of our 10 long and short stock picks is meant to outperform in the coming days if the broad stock market acts similarly as it did before. Want free follow-ups to the above article and details not available to 99% investors? Sign up to our free newsletter today. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.